Welcome back to the channel. This is my 3x3 auto flowering tent using a 1500 watt king LED set on a 24-hour light cycle, currently running 2 strains from the Canuk Seed company, one Purple Kush in the top left hand corner and one Auto Amnesia in the bottom right hand. Both plants are starting to transition into flower nicely. Like I've mentioned a few times in the weeks leading up to this point, the Amnesia has not been very cooperative with the low stress training, but the scrog net is making it a lot easier, giving me multiple tie points. Completely different story with the Purple Kush, very easy to work with. Even now, moving into flower, the plant is very malleable, allowing me to fill as much of the canvas space as possible. As you can see through the progression of week 7, it's really starting to fill this 3x3 tent nicely. If you've been following along so far, you know that I've been feeding these plants with the General Hydroponics Grow, Micro, and Bloom, but mixing at 50% of the recommended dose. Now, moving into week 7 with the plants transitioning into flower, I'm going to start amping up the micro and the bloom doses. These plants are a perfect example of how you do not need to overdo it with the nutrients in the early stages to produce a good sized plant. I have not done anything to these plants up to this point other than low stress training, but moving deeper into week 7 and transitioning into flower, I'm going to start gradually defoliating both plants in an attempt to allow light to penetrate the lower growth. So like I keep mentioning, it's a low maintenance, very easy grow. Doing what low stress training I still can until the plants become too brittle. Other than that, just checking daily that the light and fans are on and working properly, the temperature and humidity is in the right range. If you're interested in any of the products that I've used throughout the videos, please check out the description, links are available there. Other than that, please show your support by liking and sharing this video, subscribing to our channel, and checking out some of the other videos that we have to offer. Thank you.